How to create healthier diet habits based on research. Embracing a healthier dietary habit is more than just choosing the right foods. It involves creating sustainable behaviors that promote long-term well-being. Recent research offers a wealth of insights on building optimal diet habits that can favorably alter your health trajectory. In this post, we delve into science-backed strategies to develop healthier dietary practices. Embrace whole foods. Replacing processed foods with whole foods is one of the most beneficial changes you can make. Replete with vital nutrients, whole foods, such as fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, are linked to numerous health benefits. A research study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition asserts that a diet rich in whole foods can help manage weight, reduce the risk of heart disease, and improve overall health. Mindful eating. According to research in the Journal of Clinical Psychology, mindful eating can aid weight loss, curb binge eating, and promote healthier eating behaviors. Mindful eating involves slowing down, savoring each bite, and tuning into your body's hunger cues. So switch off your TV, put down your phone, and focus on the meal in front of you. Regular, balanced meals. Maintaining consistent meal timings stabilizes blood sugar levels, nixes the urge to snack, and even enhances sleep quality. A balanced meal, comprising lean proteins, high-fiber carbohydrates, and good fats, provides prolonged satiety and curbs fat storage, as affirmed by research in the British Journal of Nutrition. Portion control. Portion sizes have been ballooning over the years, leading to overconsumption of calories. The American Journal of Public Health reported that understanding portion sizes can help manage weight and prevent chronic diseases. Using smaller plates, discerning serving sizes, and keeping a food diary are constructive strategies to keep your portions in check. Hydrate adequately. Proper hydration is crucial for optimum functioning of the body. Increasing your water intake can boost metabolism, enhance brain function, and even lessen the calorie intake, according to research published in the Journal of Human Nutrition and Dietetics. Be sure to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily and include high-water foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges in your diet. Prioritize plant proteins. Swapping animal proteins with plant proteins at least once a week can yield impressive health dividends while benefiting the planet. Plant proteins are packed with heart-healthy fats and fiber, and their consumption is associated with lower risks of diseases, claimed by a study in the Journal of the American Heart Association. In conclusion, adopting healthier diet habits is a journey, not a destination. Research is continually evolving, and so should our dietary habits. By stepping into the realm of mindful and balanced eating, you're making a powerful commitment to your well-being. Embrace the challenge today to see healthful, lasting effects tomorrow.